If I told you a dog once saved over 1,000 lives, both military and civilian, you'd think it was a legend, wouldn't you? Meet Buster, an English Springer Spaniel who sniffed out danger in the world's most volatile war zones, including Bosnia, Afghanistan, and Iraq. From uncovering hidden explosives to preventing suicide bombers, his bravery was unmatched, but his journey was fraught with danger, terror, and countless close calls. And as the last UK military working dog to leave Iraq, his legacy as a protector and hero was cemented forever. Buster's life wasn't just about war. It was about love, loyalty, and leaving a paw print on history. Rest in peace, Buster, a true four-legged hero.